Hi guys, welcome to another video. Here I'll define you about top airflow PC case, so please subscribe channel and like the video for more update about cool gadgets. Our recommendations for the best PC cases come from our cooling, noise, and build tests. In 2024, gaming PC cases feature advanced cooling solutions, modular designs, and customizable RGB lighting for enhanced aesthetics and performance. With improved cable management and spacious interiors, these cases accommodate high-end components effortlessly. The latest materials and innovative designs provide durability and style for the ultimate gaming setup. Number 5. Corsair 5000D. The 5000D makes a stunning, showpiece-worthy PC, easy to build, and even easier to keep cool with the space and flexibility to mount multiple 360mm radiators. A high airflow optimized steel front panel delivers massive airflow to your system for maximum cooling. The Corsair Rapid Route Cable Management System makes it simple and fast to route your major cables through a single hidden channel, with an easy-access hinge door and a roomy 25mm of space behind the motherboard for all of your cables. Includes two Corsair 120mm air guide fans, utilizing anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. A motherboard tray with customizable fan mounts allows you to side mount up to 3x 120mm fans or up to a 360mm radiator, enabling new flexible cooling options. Number 4. Corsair 4000D. The Corsair Rapid Route Cable Management System makes it simple and fast to route your major cables through a single channel, with a roomy 25mm of space behind the motherboard for all of your cables. Includes two Corsair 120mm air guide fans, utilizing anti-vortex vanes to concentrate airflow and enhance cooling. Motherboard will fit in our 4000 series cases without any issue. Mini ITX, Micro ATX, ATX, and EATX form factor motherboards are all supported. A spacious interior fits up to 6x 120mm or 4x 140mm cooling fans, along with multiple radiators including 360mm in front and 280mm in the roof, dependent on RAM height. Number 3. SCDS 580. Multiple cooling preference supports a large number of fans and a 360mm water cooler for excellent heat dissipation. Top mount I/O ports support USB Type-C connection and have up to 10 Gbps transfer speeds. Two tempered glass panel. Tempered glass panels allow you to showcase your internal components and ARG lighting. Motherboard supports ATX/Micro ATX/Mini ITX motherboards. Support VGA up to 360mm in length. CPU cooler up to 170mm in height. Built with your driver preference. Support up to 2x 3.5 HDDs plus 3x25 SSD or 1x 3.5 HDD plus 4x 2.5 SSDs. Support ATX power supply. Back bays. The front can be installed 3x25 SSD and the back can be installed 2x 3.5 HDDs. The S580 is designed to maximize airflow and heat dissipation. Number 2. GIM ATEX. GIM is a brand which dedicated to develop all series of computer accessories to improve gaming experience. Mid-tower computer case has enough space for 10 PCS 120mm GIM ARG fans to provide lighting and excellent air performance at the same time, keep cooling. And GIM PC case supports ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ITX motherboards. More space. GIM mid-tower chassis has two PCS 4mm thick tempered glass full-view side panels. The internal space is wide and easy to install. 3x 2.5 SSD, 2x 3.5 HDD ATX/Micro ATX/ITX motherboard. 10*120mm ARG fan, maximum length 400mm GPU, and the flexible configuration of the cooling system supports 3x designated areas for the installation of water coolers with radiators of 360, 240, and 120mm. Number 1. LIAN LANCOOL. The LANCOOL 216 is a mainstream case that features all-around mesh panels for optimal airflow. Thanks to its modular rear panel, it can be optimized for air cooling or water cooling. It includes two X160mm and one X140mm pre-installed PWM fans and an innovative rear PCIe fan bracket to maximize airflow. The included 160mm Argab fans feature two channels of LED, one on the outer rim of the fan, another at the shaft of the fan blades that can be controlled separately via an optional accessory or via the motherboard lighting software by connecting them directly to a motherboard 5V3 pin header. Removable top two grooves have been implemented to allow easy passage of fan cables into the second chamber of the case. Latest gen, GPU ready, with enough room for graphics cards up to 392mm in length and 180mm in height for air cooling mode.